On today's episode of my cooking show, we are cooking whatever the fuck I have in my cabinet and fridge meal because who's gonna go to the store? Not me. I had this in the cabinet. I don't think I want to use these because they're ass compared to these. The lettuce. Season it with vinegar. You could get both of these hoes on EBT.
Grapefruit and vegetable cleaner, nice and natural. It's free.
You know what else is my shit? Solo. You thought I was done singing? Yeah, no. Nigga said, you know tango. You don't have la necesidades. You don't have what I need. You don't have the necessities. Go listen to that song. It's a bop. Oh, not a little bit, but some oil. I'm gonna throw in my garlic, the mushrooms, just a little bit of seasoning, and then I'm gonna make the white sauce. Smells good. Butter. Waiting for my butter to get brown. Slowly add heavy whipping cream, milk, or you can do vegetable broth. Add some parsley flakes. Onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Olive oil, salt, pepper, and a lemon. She's a fertile one. Autumn seeds. Give it a quick blend. Make it